Passenger Jemali Bernabe, Passenger Maha Leoncha, Passenger Leoncha Maha, Passenger Roger Mercado, Passenger Mercado Roger, Passenger Jonathan Riaponan sa flight PR2P2987 bound for Tacloban. If you are around, kindly board the aircraft not through gate number 1. This is your last and final call. All aboard.
Once again, requesting for the last remaining passengers. Last remaining passengers of Philippine Airlines on flight year 2938 bound for Buluan. Requesting for passenger Manago Matsumoto, passenger Scarlett Matsumoto, passenger Maricel Picones, passenger Marilyn Soratos, passenger Villanueva and party if you're on Kelly board the aircraft now using gate number 10. Once again, requesting all remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines on flight year 2938 bound for Butuan. If you are on, kindly proceed now at gate number 10. Gate number 10 for your immediate boarding.
Good afternoon once again. May we head compartment of the aircraft. In line with this, please allow us to remind you that you're strictly allowed of one-piece carry-on baggage on board. It should not weigh more than 7 kilos. It should fit on the overhead compartment of the aircraft or under the seats in front of you. Any excess in numbers, size, or weight will be intercepted at the gate and will be tagged to your final destination. Meanwhile, we're looking for volunteer passengers